Today I am going to discuss a new creation of new Gmail account which will be helpful to you for creating a new Facebook account or any new YouTube account. Actually, you know that Facebook account and your email, your YouTube account, which are very beneficial to us. Actually, you can generate a lot of money in future from these two platforms. So the basic thing is creation of Gmail account. So let us start the creation of Gmail account today.
How to create a Gmail account. First we have to open Gmail icon. From there, bottom, just go to bottom side, you will get add another account. Tap on that. Then you will see set up email. Lot of options are there: Google, Outlook, Yahoo, Exchange and Office 365 and others. If you want to create a Google email account, then choose Google, this portion. Click on that. Then a new page will be opened. Then you will get a text box, email or phone number. If you have already created a email account, then you can put that email ID into this text box. Otherwise, you have to click on create account for creating new account. This portion, create account, you have to click on that. Then you will get two options: for myself and to manage my business. You can click on for myself. You can click on for myself. When you will click on that link, a new page will be opened. Create a Google account. There will be two text box. First one is first name and surname is optional. Just you put your name, like Tul. Then click on next. Then click on next. Again you will get a new page. There will be day, month and year and gender. So you have to select all this or put details over here. Like day, you have to put your date of birth, like 10, month like July, year like 1975, like this. And you have to select gender, male, female, like this. Then again you have to click next. Then you will get two or three options like this. You can go for it, or you can go for another option, that is create your own email, own Gmail address. So you can create your own Gmail as per your choice. So we will go for third one. Select the third one. Then we will get a new text box. Then you have to mention whatever you like to create that Gmail, like tool TUL tool @gmail.com. Let us try. Click on the next button. Here it is written that username is taken. So we have to give another name, like tool C col 1 2 3, like this. Then again we will try and click the next button. Now it is available, but you have to remind that email ID which one you have already put in the text box. Now you have to set your password. You have to put your password like ERTZAV1536, like this. You have to remember this one, and after that you have to click the next button. Then we will click the next button. A new Gmail will be created now. Now there is another page, add phone number. You can add phone number or skip this one this time. And now you have to click yes, I am in. There will be a blue button. Click on that. Your email tool SEEKOKOL123 @gmail.com is created. Now you have to click on next button. There will be a page that is called privacy and terms. You have to accept that one. There will be another blue button, I agree. You have to click on that. Just click on I agree button. A new Gmail account is going to create. Just give some time. Your Gmail account is created. So you have to check where is my new email. So here it is showing tool ACEKOL123 @gmail.com. So your email is created. In this way you can create your new email ID, and after that just click on that. Your new email ID will be opened. In this way you can create a new email ID, and after that with this new email ID you can open your Facebook account that will be showing shortly.
I hope you have enjoyed this video session very much, and I will request you to subscribe our channel, that is Shukanto Tech Adda, so that you can get all our informations in time. Thank you.